This is Suresh. Today I am going to take first session of Excel where I'll teach you what is Excel, how to input data in Excel, how to input formula in Excel. So let's see how to start Excel. Okay, just come to start. Just write down Excel here. Okay, as soon as you write down Excel, a lot of templates comes in. So this is the basic template. So for this purpose, I have already make a file for you. I'm just clicking on this. This is there. Now, if you look here, I'm having two sheets right now, sheet 1, sheet 2, then I can have sheet 3, I can have sheet 4, and so on. So basically the architecture of Excel is you are having one book, and in one book you can contain n number of sheets. Now if you look closely, every sheet is divided into number of rows. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and column, this is A, B, C, D. And the intersection of rows and columns represent a cell. This is a cell, this is a cell, and this is a cell. Every cell is having a reference. Whenever you are dealing with the data or you are dealing with the formula, you have to refer with the help of addresses. Like this is E1, this is B1, this is C1. Let's take a small example to make you understand about this. You can see here, I'm having marks for different subjects like math, science, English. Now I have been asked to find out total. Now how to find out total? It means I would like Excel to find out total for me. So how I inform Excel that I am going to write down a formula? So you start with the equal sign. When you say equal sign, Excel understand that you are going to input a formula. Now currently our object is to find out this plus this plus this. It means I am saying Excel find out the addition of the content of A2 plus B2 plus C2. When I press enter key, you are able to see this. The same way you can drag and drop to get the data. Let's come back to percentage. Now we know percentage is, so I am saying total marks. This is D2 divided by, assuming that the marks are out of 100, so I am saying 300 into 100. Okay, I'll get the percentage. I'm just dragging it. Okay, you can see the output. Okay, now for status, now our requirement is anyone who is scoring more than 50%, we would like to print pass, other we would like to print fail. Now this is something known as conditional in Excel. So how to do that? I'm just going to write down this. So as usual, okay, a formula. I say if, now what is my condition? My condition is this. Is it more than 50? Yes. Now this is my condition. Now when I'm writing a condition, condition will be either true or false. So next is I have to inform Excel what I am supposed to do. So I'm saying passed. Next, what I am to do if it is fail. So now you can see it. My condition is I am saying Excel, if the data in cell E2 is more than 50, print pass, otherwise print fail. So I am pressing enter key. You can see here, because the percentage is 88, I am able to see passed. Now let's drag it and you can see the output. It's failed because the percentage is this. In future, if some data gets changed, please observe this. So you can see this. Okay, now he's failed. Okay, that's all for today. In next video, I'll be teaching you how to do sorting and filtering with your data.